Hi guys, it's Mrs. Millison. Okay, let's do check you understand on page 346. Alright, suppose we choose an American adult at random and we're going to define these two events. Event A is the person has a cholesterol level of 240 milligrams per deciliter of blood or above. Okay, that's high cholesterol. Or event B, where the person has a cholesterol level of 200 to 240, but not including 240 milligrams per deciliter of blood. Okay, so this is borderline high cholesterol. So according to the American Heart Association, the probability you're going to have high cholesterol is 0.16 or 16% chance. The probability you're going to be a borderline high cholesterol, so between 200 and 240, is 0.29 or 29%. So explain why events A and B are mutually exclusive. Okay, well, mutually exclusive means, or another term for mutually exclusive is disjoint, means they can occur at the same time. Okay, a person cannot have a cholesterol level above 240 and between 200 and 240 at the same time. Okay, that's what I write here. Mutually exclusive or disjoint, both events cannot happen at the same time. Okay, sorry. So a person can't be in both those groups. They can't have high cholesterol and be borderline high cholesterol at the same time. They're going to be in one or the other groups. Okay. All right. Say in plain language what the event A or B is. Okay. Well, that just means what's the probability that a person, or the event is that a person has high cholesterol or borderline high cholesterol. So their cholesterol is either 240 and above or between 200 and 240. So let's find the probability of A or B. Okay. So probability of A or B. We learn our addition rule. The probability of A or B is simply the probability of A plus the probability of B. Okay. There's no mutually exclusive, so I don't have to worry about that. So I'm just going to add 0.16 and 0.29. So the probability of A is 0.16. Probability of B, being a borderline high cholesterol, is 0.29. Okay, and I add those two together and I get 0.45. So there's a 45% chance that you are either going to have, or a person chosen at random is either going to have high cholesterol or be borderline high cholesterol. Okay, so they're going to fall into one of these two groups. Okay, 45% chance. Now let C be the event that a person chosen has a cholesterol level below 200. All right, well, that seems to be the only other option. So either going to be 240 or above, between 200 and 240, or less than 200. Okay, well, I thought of this. If you're not high cholesterol, borderline cholesterol, then you've got to be in this group. So I thought of it as the complement. Okay, so I thought of this as the complement of A or B. So complement is just going to be 1 minus. So 1 minus the probability of A or B. So 1 minus 0.45 is 0.55. So if you're not in these two groups, one of these two groups, if you're not high cholesterol or borderline high cholesterol, your cholesterol must be less than 200. So there's a 55% chance your cholesterol is less than 200 milligrams per deciliter of blood. So again, out of our mutually exclusive events, we can think of this as you're either going to fall into event A, Group B, or Group C. Okay? So you can't be in two groups at the same time. They're all mutually exclusive. Okay? And you have to be in one of the three groups. So all three probabilities have to add up to be 1 or 100%. Okay? I hope this was helpful. See you next time.